to one and all present here. I am Jeevadashni from grade 6. It's a great pleasure to share the stage and speak about the topic social media challenges. First, I want to make clear about this topic. This can be dealt in two ways. First, the challenges faced by social media and the challenges faced by us because of social media. Today, I am going to discuss about the challenges of social media. Before getting into it, what is social media? It's a public platform to interact with people which they can share, create and exchange information and ideas. The four biggest social networks are Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram and Twitter. You know, Facebook is the king of the social media with 2.7 billion active users. All the inventions and discoveries are made for the welfare of the human beings. Likewise, the Facebook, WhatsApp in its earlier stage seemed to be more useful and saved time in various activities. Social media addicts the young generation and has become time-consuming drug. It has given them the opportunity to know more that can be good or bad, negative or positive. So social medias are turning detrimental. Now let me say few challenges. Number 1. Reliability. Reliability is the first challenge faced by the social media. For example, when a child uses social media, teachers, parents or elders have to keep an eye on the child, which means they fail to assure reliability. Number 2. Cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is the second challenge faced by the social media. It means using electronic communication to bully a person. This shows that confidential matter can never be through this media. This can take place over platforms such as Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram and Twitter. Number 3. Content creation. Content creation is the third challenge faced by the YouTubers. The content should be worth enough to watch. It's a tedious task to create engaging the content. Number 4. Genuinity. Genuinity is the fourth challenge faced by the social media. When something is published in social media, it reaches everyone in few seconds. Since everyone is one of this media, whether it is true or not, we started to talk about these things. Okay, now it concludes my speech. Celebrity, content creation, cyberbullying, genuinity are the challenges of social media. So there are many challenges. Let's consider the right part of it and use social media in constructive way. Thank you for all.